We decided to adopt 2 rescue cats that are sisters that were pretty young because our intent was to get them used to sailing.
Anything she can.
Hi, it's Dennis.
And Anne.
How are you guys doing today? Today's topic is cats and boats.
And we have met quite a few challenges in our adventure. Great sailing, but there are a few things we've run into along the way as we ramp up the learning curve with them.
So first and foremost, if you have a cat carrier, leave your cats in the cat carrier until you have left your slip and until and as you come into the slip, because they are escape artists and they will do anything and everything possible within their means to get off the boat before you do, which includes, I think it was Disco that one time.
Yeah.
As we're coming into the slip, she decided to jump onto the finger pier.
No, she jumped to the neighboring boat.
The neighbor boat, which is probably like 4 feet away at the time.
Yeah, 4 feet across water to jump to the neighboring boat.
Yeah, so that was a fun challenge. As you saw in one of our last episodes, we have the netting that we put up. We use that on the handful of times that we've had to stay in the marina, in the slip, to keep the cats secured in the boat, because again, they will try to escape.
And even with that netting, and he's talking about the no-seam netting that we put over our companionway opening and over the hatch over the V-berth. Even with that netting, we're sleeping, and all of a sudden I was thinking we had squirrels on the boat because you hear the and then I was like, what's going on? I was, cats! So bolt out of bed as much as you can bolt out of a V-berth. And they had figured out, those little rascals, how to get through an opening, because I guess we didn't snap it all the way up.
Yep.
Finding them was a real challenge. They go on random people's boats in the marina and hide on their boats.
Yeah.
So
Soco was easier to find because she's a little more loving and she's more food motivated.
Yeah, she's really lazy too.
And she's lazy.
Disco, if she doesn't want to be caught, that little cat's not going to get caught.
So we're almost to the T-dock on our pier, and I guess it's maybe about 50 yards down. Mm-hmm. So immediately I start walking towards shore, because I figured that's where she would be going. Made it all the way down, didn't see her, and as I was coming back, she was actually still on 2 boats down.
2 boats down. Yeah, Randy
watching me
boat.
the whole time.
Yeah.
It's like a little turd.
I thought I was being really sly, so we keep a net with a long handle on our boat in case they should go overboard and we had to bring them back up. And so I'm walking real sly with it behind my back, and I went back and forth past her several times. She's probably watching me, knowing I have this net in my hand.
Yeah, she's sitting there with her little paw. Doing this. Huh, you guys don't see me.
Yeah, but they absolutely, when we're at anchor, they are incredibly awesome. Because one, they can't go anywhere.
Yeah.
And cats just naturally have great balance. They've never fallen overboard. We drop a line overboard, a thick piece of rope, in case they have to get back on board.
Which is something we'll have to try and do one of these days, to train them to
make sure they know
where the rope is and to try and climb the rope.
Climb up the rope. Okay, we have our cat rope dangling off the end of the boat, and we are going to see if the cats are able to climb up it like we had thought. So we're bringing them into the boat.
Jesus Christ.
I know, it's heavy with both of them in there. Hi. How are we going to get the cat to the... We're not going to make them swim to it, are we?
Like,
Carrier's open. Our more brave cat Soco is out and looking around. Her sister's coming out. They're wondering what the heck. We're trying to raise you as boat cats. There we go. Oh, Disco went back in her carrier.
Just take them out.
So let's give this a try. Well, so I was thinking if you put them right on the rope, you know, just kind of see if they grab onto it and climb up.
the second we get close enough, that cat is up and out.
Well, they're comfortable in the dinghy. Look, even Disco's out.
It has to be hanging down though.
I know, but it's just gonna lay over there.
Yeah, but if you put them on it. So,
It has to be hanging. That means I have to put the cat over the water.
yes, you do. Yeah.
At the risk of dropping the cat in the water. That's what you want to do.
If the cat falls in the water, we'll retrieve her.
With
Our hands. Just like we saw in that video.
nobody retrieved the cat with their hands in the video.
Yeah.
Just climbed up the rope.
Okay. I think the rope has to be hanging though. Here, Soco's right behind you. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay.
Where'd she go?
You're gonna have to unhook us.
Jesus Christ. Stupid idea. Here she comes.
Okay. Get her, come on. Here, I'll unhook us.
Soco.
Yeah, don't worry about the line, just hold on to the boat. She went around, we're gonna have to go around the other way. Oh no. Come on, Soco. Come on, Soco.
Here, hold that.
Okay.
Okay, well.
Okay. She's safe. I secured the carrier. Good call, Dennis.